Hello and welcome back to another episode of Planet Crafter. Episode 3. I need to reorganize already. What did we do last episode? Last episode we did some exploring and found 2 new bases that we can explore, and then we also moved to this place. I don't have a map yet so I can't show you, but we gotta go explore this thing and that thing, and I gotta pick up a bunch of stuff and expand this place. We also, I think we went through like 2 stages of this just by building some stuff, so we have clouds, and next we're gonna get rain, so I'm assuming this place is gonna start flooding pretty soon. So we're just continuing to add oxygen, heat, and pressure to get this number up. But I'm like behind on all of this stuff. I would really love a vehicle so that I could travel better. But essentially, we spent most of the episode looking for aluminum and moving. In this episode, I'm gonna try and explore places. It's kind of hard to get around still. Essentially, we are gonna be crafting a whole bunch of stuff and doing a whole bunch of stuff. What's that? I can get a jetpack. And okay, I think I need that crusher. Okay, so how does one, I'm already distracted. I don't even know what I'm doing. It doesn't even matter, does it? How does one crush? Okay, I'm assuming that crusher tier 2 is what we want. I'm assuming you could crush the tier 1 stuff in a tier 2. So I'm just gonna make this one. I have everything for it, I think. And then I don't remember a crusher existing. I don't think that's what I needed, but I needed 2 kobolds instead. Okay, let's make a crusher so that I can crush things. And to make one of these, I already don't remember what's in it. Silicone and 2 cobalt. I don't have any silicone, or do I? I do. Put it wherever I want. There we go. Okay, so what do you even do? Wait, do you not tell me? Does it not tell me? Oh, it does. Okay. No, I thought this went into... What is that? It's not fair. I don't know what that is. I thought... At least I can get aluminum. Whatever. Wow, it's a little laggy. Okay, well I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. I definitely do not have 9. I'm just gonna move all of you to the other one. I have 3, which means I can make a heater. Okay, what do I... Okay, I just need to bring the general terraformation up in order to get the vehicles. It's like my main mission. But I need heat to make some other stuff. I could do this. Does it like come out this side? I don't know anything. These can literally just be anywhere, right? Why am I so slow? I just put it down here, right? Theoretically. It'll probably be in my way at some point, and I'll have to move it. But for now, I want this. Where does one find iridium? I don't even see a place that might even have it. I'm gonna... Oh, it gives me lots of stuff. That's kind of fun. I'm gonna eat some food, drink some water. And I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go see what's there. Because maybe they'll have something like iridium. And if not, I can fill my inventory up with aluminum and that bauxite stuff. Okay, it's not actually that far away. God, I'm feeling the gravity. I'm feeling less light. Like I can't jump as high. Wait, is this the stuff? Is this uranite? Okay, so I can maybe get some iridium from that. Grab some. Just a couple, because I want to be able to get whatever's in here. How does one get up here? Do I need a jetpack? Dude, I might. I might need a jetpack in order to get up here. I don't think it'll let me just like... Never mind. Can I get in? Okay, I might need a jetpack to get in. And probably have to get in through like the top or something. Yeah, I'm gonna assume that I can't get in here. Oh! Okay, I have to go back. So I'm gonna die. Wait, is this... Since I have to go back, might as well collect these on my way back. I'm totally gonna die. This time I might actually die. And I don't know what happens when I die. I know I clicked relaxed, but there's 0 way for me to get back to the place. I wasn't paying attention. Oh, I can collect water. How nice. I'm gonna die though. I can see it. I'm almost there. Okay, I didn't lose anything. That's good. You. Do your thing. I want what I want. So I can't go there. That's a little too far away. Okay, let's craft some like cool stuff if I can. Okay, so I can craft a compass. I've got mining speed, but I don't really mine, to be completely honest. I have all of that. I like the idea of pinning a crafting recipe, but it uses really fancy stuff. To be honest, I'm not super sure how much I care about most of this stuff right now. I don't have any cool compartments or anything yet. But I need to spread grass, that's for sure. So I need 2 water bottles. Okay, so let's get a water collector then. I need iron, silicone, magnesium, cobalt. Okay, basically one of everything. Cobalt. What else do I need? Silicone and super. Okay, go get a silicone and a super. I'll grab a bunch of supers from this back area. It's kind of hard to see. Nuclear reactor. I mean, I guess I have uranium. Do I have to feed it that though? What is my inventory looking like? Okay, I'm gonna go back. So we'll make a water collector so that we don't need ice anymore. And then I should be able to make a grass spreader. You know, considering that we have rain, it hasn't rained, has it? Or am I just like crazy? I might be. I'm very oblivious sometimes. So I want to be able to just like grab water. I'm just gonna go grab the one. Wait, do I have inventory? No, I do not. I'm gonna put my inventory away. I'm gonna go grab that, what's it called? I'm gonna grab those solar panels from the old area. What is that over there? Because I wanna go there. I was staring at that when I opened the episode. Did I miss that this whole time? That there's like a spaceship over there? Because I was so focused on this little tiny babe area. There's some super alloy here too. How nice. So I wanna go there. Because right there is where the solar panels are. And I'll just grab that and then come make them here. You don't have to warn me, it's gone. There's no power. Deconstruct. You. Is that it? Oh, no. I was like, I swear there were a couple. You. Any more? I hate the fact I can't jump. The gravity is like taking my jump from me. I'm gonna stop and get some oxygen. And then this will collect water. Sorry, I think my cat wants out. Luna may or may not be back later. Oh, that's you know what? I'm actually realizing that I actually never introduced my cat. My cat who sleeps back here, her name is Luna. Someone probably could have guessed that. So, there you go. She may or may not be back later. 2 of those. Let me grab the other ingredients. I'm sure I'll have. I don't think I could do that either. Yeah, I need a, oh my god, I have like nothing. Grass spreader. Magnesium, aluminum, and a lerma seed. Oops. It's gonna show up, is it? Okay, so we are gonna start flooding soon. I need to start bringing up the heat. I can make another one of these, though, technically. Come on, man. Don't have any ice either. Put down 1 grass spreader. I'll make another tier 2 heater. Because, to be honest, I'm not super sure what to do about the fact that I just don't have. I feel like I should make a nuclear reactor before I... Where's the titanium? All the way over there? I've got a couple, I guess, then. Okay, so I've got to figure out how to make the jetpack, because it'd be very sad if I can't fly. Gotta get more of that bauxite too. Can I make iron? Definitely cannot make. A lot more. So what do I need for the crusher? Gives us a lot more pressure, but it uses a ton more energy. Okay. I mean, I think regardless, I probably still need more of that stuff. I'll go grab some more of the oxy thingy because I can't really do much yet. I don't think I must not have, I haven't explored enough, I guess. Okay, I've got to pay attention to my oxygen. When it's like half, I'll start heading back. I know I'm testing my luck. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry. I know that there aren't any consequences for death because I'm playing relaxed, but really, I don't want to like exploit that mechanic. It's more like to keep me from rage quitting. I hate the idea of losing what's in my inventory. Even when I play Minecraft, I know it's sacrilegious, and I play with keep inventory on because I know that my neurodivergent brain, my OCD brain, will immediately rage quit if I lost my stuff. I'm not gonna put all of it in there. I do need some. And then I needed this to make this. I need one. What did I need? 2 of those and a rod. Things I wanted though. How do I get it? I don't have like a miner or anything. We'll have to make like an ultimate base at some point. For now, I should probably work towards getting this because this ain't gonna cut it when I put this down. Using 100 energy, that's not enough. This is like, I wouldn't say it's enough, but it's like better. Oh, hydration.